For my base, flour and butter, about 4 tablespoons of each, and a couple of cups of milk. This makes the thickened milk base for 1 pound of macaroni. The macaroni for each of these dishes, I cooked, then drain it and cold shock it so it stops the cooking process, because it's gonna continue to cook, of course, in the oven. So you can make this way ahead and just bake it off the day of Thanksgiving. Into our sauce now, once we thicken it up, we're gonna season it up with salt and white pepper to keep the sauce white. Over the shoulder for luck. You can't be too careful. It is Thanksgiving, right? Then I like a little granulated garlic and onion in my mac and cheese sauce. A little hint of dry mustard to give it a little something like, what is that? And if you're adventurous, a pinch of cayenne pepper. I know, it's delicious already. Now for me, I like to put in upstate New York, we have something called Cooper's Sharp American. I like to put in American cheese. I mean, it's an American holiday, and I see nothing wrong with delicious American cheese. So I take a big old chunk of American and melt that down. And then it likes to hang out with its buddy cheddar. So cheddar and American cheese get in the hot tub together and melt into a beautiful, delicious, velvety, cheesy coating for all of your macaroni. And then we're gonna put the macaroni in there, give it a spin, and bake it off, and that's traditional. Now, there's nothing wrong with this, but it might taste even better if we added some garlic breadcrumbs to the macaroni and cheese, and then even more on top with yet another cheese, Parmigiano Reggiano. Yeah. So to make the garlic breadcrumbs, you take homemade stale bread, zap it up in your food processor, douse it with melted butter with lots of garlic in the butter, and add a little oregano, crushed red pepper, and parsley. So we take our garlic bread mac and cheese, pop it into our casserole, and top that with more garlic bread. And then top the garlic bread with the parm. Yes! Goldie, open the oven. So this is the garlic bread one with the garlic bread in and on.